All right, we're at Mark and Nancy Posey. I'm out here in Bronze Station. I've done a bunch of work for them in the past, and got a little bit more work to do here. So basically, this is just kind of oddball stuff. The real scope of work is we're replacing a garage entry door. But this first course of siding, which is basically 2 runs, but it's 1 board, as you can see, it's rotted. So Mark has that piece on hand. He has already painted it. So we're simply just taking off this piece and installing the new one, probably a little bit of caulk and tiny bit of touch-up paint, and this will be good to go. It's only about probably 6-7 feet wide, 7 feet probably. And then this 1x4 facing me, that needs to be replaced as well, and he already has that painted in the garage as well. So we'll pop that off, throw on the new one, a little bit of caulk, and probably some minor touch-up paint there. So that's this area. Then we have another area over here of just fascia repair. It's probably only about a foot, but just to get a good margin on that, probably want to go about 1.5 feet, 2 feet back. And you can see it's right where it comes down to the roof line. So that will be cut out. There is a drip edge on there. So the fascia and the drip edge will be replaced. We're using lumber. We're not going to do hardy. They have gutters all over the place, so it'd just be a much bigger endeavor doing hardy on the fascia. So it's just going to be lumber. It's probably 2x6, maybe 2x8 fascia, and then a 1x2 drip. But they're both pretty rotted right there. So again, it's only about a foot back, but just to get good margins, we need to probably go about 2 feet back. There is a drip cap that Mark has from some gutter work he had done, so we can use that drip cap to put over the drip edge right there in that corner, just to protect it a little bit more from the water. So that's and then there's a small little diverter flashing, like channel flashing up there in that valley. We might need to pull that out, if we can, or just create a new one to give it a little bit more reach, so it can throw that water a little bit further down towards the bottom gutter. But really that's it. So real minor repair there that we can use some punchless guys for to get that fixed up for them. But again, this is just the kind of ancillary thing to the real project, which is the garage entry door.